All right, guys, today is Sunday, September 7th, and it is 6:48 in the morning. I actually have my Uber and my Lyft. Got my camera, got my Uber light, and as I put it on, I was like, man, today's gonna be a $10 challenge. We're trying to pick up everything. I'm looking for that one that's $45, $35 is the one I'm waiting on, but I got this one. This one's 12 miles away. It's weird because I gotta drive 12 miles away, and then when I get there, drop them off 3 miles. It's paying me $10. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna do it before 7. Let's do this. So that way, 7 o'clock, we start off with already $10. Let's go. So, trying to make at least $30 an hour. I'm gonna do a different approach. I'm trying to do $10, $8 if it's reasonable. I won't do $8 for 40 minutes. I won't do $10 for 45 minutes. Those got to keep an eye on and do real quick figurations. Now, if it's a big one, man, take it. But I'm trying to make at least $30 an hour. That's my goal. If I get close to that, I'm good. Because I've kind of noticed that I've been waiting for these big ones to come through, and sometimes I'm waiting a little too long, and it doesn't add up on my average earnings. So that's what I'm doing. Today's like a gloomy day. It's gonna rain. So I was gonna go wash my car, but why? No, not why. I did clean the inside. So let's go. All right, guys. Hey, don't forget, like, subscribe. All right, if you like the content. Let's do this. All right, guys. 7:07. Just dropped that one off. $10. It actually took me longer to drive here. Drop him off. He was like 3 minutes away. Let's do this again. Come on, give me another one. All right, guys. All right, guys. I just finished dropping off that one. That one paid me $9.82. Puts me at 2 trips, $19.82 an hour. So $20 an hour. I'm trying to get $30 on plus. So I'm waiting for a big one to come through. While I was waiting, I also did, just 'cause I'm letting y'all know, I did a Lyft in between it, and it was $5. I know. I'm not going to explain it, but it was like a 3 minute and 4 minute ride. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just pick it up and just keep on going. So, just to let you know, $25. You know what? That's $25 an hour. We're going to go off that. All right, guys. Let's go. But I am waiting for a Lyft to give me a big one. If it gives me a big one, a $50 one, man, I'd be on top of it. See, I'm just not. That one's what, 17, 18 minutes, $5? It'll get me somewhere. But then that would just equal $20 an hour. You know what I'm saying? Actually, a little bit less. But I'm fixing to pull over real quick and wait for the next one. Come on, let's go. All right, guys, I got this one. $12, pick them up. Like 3 minutes to get there, and then 20 minutes drop them off. I'm doing it. Let's go. All right, guys, it's 8:26, and that one paid me $12. So that brings us up to a total of $31. 3 trips. Let's go. Got to keep on making some money. Let's see if we can get another 15, $20 one in the next 15 minutes. Let's do it. All right, guys, I just finished dropping off that one. It's 9:42, and I got 11. Where's that one going to? Oh, that's the thing. Oh, you know what? I'm going to go that one. That one was 11:42, and I got a $5 tip on that one, so that can be 16:42. Let's go. And I may get this one right here. It's picking up, and it's going toward my destination. So this one may be closer to the last one. That's what, 48 $48 so far, and then plus this other one coming up, so about $60. All right, guys, and I should be done. I should be done by this one by 10 o'clock. May pick up another one along the way, but it's time to get home, kind of take care of things I gotta take care of. You know how it goes. But it's not sunny. It's 80 degrees. Actually, good weather to be driving all day. But let's go. All right, guys, that's gonna be my last one. $54 plus that $5 tip, $59, and it is $10.12. All right, guys. So how much is that really? Whew. Well, I made 300 bucks this week in 18 hours. Man, I need to start. My goal is do 500 a week, 500 a week, part-time. So when I can, how I can, as much as I can. So as you can tell, 23 trips, made $302, $20 in tips. Those are just the ones, the actual ones, not the cash ones. And there you go. Let's go. So the goal again, I'm gonna start picking up more when I can, but I need to start making at least 500 a week part-time. Let's do it.